Hey guys, welcome back to LearnITGuide tutorials. We generally attach Internet Gateway to the public subnet. So your EC2 instance that are hosted on public subnet will have an internet access. But the instance that are hosted on private subnet will not have any internet access. If you have attached the Internet Gateway to the private subnet, then this subnet also will become a public subnet, isn't it? So instead of Internet Gateway, we can use NAT Gateway. This NAT Gateway will help your EC2 instances that are hosted on this particular private subnet will have internet access. So the traffics will be routed from this private subnet to the public subnet. Then it will go outside of your VPC through this Internet Gateway. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or provide internet access to the AWS EC2 instance that are hosted on private subnet of your AWS VPC. Watch the video till the end. Related links are mentioned in the description. Make use of it. Before getting to the topic, just a small request to those who are watching this video from our YouTube channel for the first time. We have already uploaded a lot of videos related to Ansible, Docker, Kubernetes, and even other technologies too. Please have a look. If you are interested in learning, then do subscribe now and click nearby bell icon for more interesting and useful videos. Let's get started. I have a 2 instance now, and this EC2 instance is hosted on public subnet. So I will be able to use internet. So let me run a few commands to check whether the internet is working or not. wget google.com. Yes, the internet is working for me on this particular EC2 instance. This is hosted on public subnet. Even if I use yum update, it should work. Yes, it is working. Let me log into my other EC2 instance that is there in private subnet. If I run sudo yum update, it is trying to fetch the update from the repository, but it is not able to. That is because of the internet is not there for the private subnet. Even if I use wget google.com, it won't work. So let's see how to create NAT Gateway and attach to this private subnets. So in order to create NAT Gateway, what you have to do is just log into AWS Management Console and select the appropriate region and go to the respective VPC. And for this demo, I have a VPC called Coke VPC, and that is where these 2 subnets are created. And if you want to create a NAT gateway, create the NAT gateway and select the public subnet, because you have to attach the NAT gateway. Even if you create the NAT gateway for the private subnet, it has to be attached in the public subnet, because that is where the internet gateway is there to send the traffic for your private subnet hosted EC2s. And you will make the route entry on the route table of private subnet. So just go to VPC. Click on the NAT gateway. As of now, I don't have any NAT gateway being created. So click on create NAT gateway. And here you will have the option to provide like NAT gateway name, subnet and elastic IP. So I just give the name called Coke NAT Gateway, since this NAT Gateway I will be attaching to my Coke VPC. And here is a subnet. So even if you create a NAT Gateway for your private subnet, that has to be attached in your public subnet, right? So here you have to select the public subnet. Just click on this pull down where you will be able to see a lot of subnets, and select the right public subnet of your Coke VPC, and this is the one I am looking for. Then elastic IP. We must have an elastic IP to the NAT gateway. If you have already one, then just pull down and select the elastic IP. If not, just click on this allocate elastic IP. It will generate for you, and again pull down the option. You can select the newly created elastic IP. So elastic IP is a chargeable based on your hourly usage. And next, tags, you can just give any kind of tags and just click on create NAT gateway. So the state still it is showing as a pending. It will take a couple of minutes to become active. Now go to subnets, and under this VPC I have only 2 subnets. One is private and other one is a public subnet. And public subnet is a subnet where you will attach the internet gateway, right? And in the private subnet, you will not have any internet gateway. So just go to the route table of your private subnet. And click on routes and edit the route table and make an entry for your NAT gateway 0.0.0, and on the target you have to select the NAT gateway. It is done. Just refresh it. Yes, I am able to see the route entry on private subnet. So just be careful, because on public subnet you have a route entry for internet gateway. On the private subnet you have an entry for NAT gateway. That's it. You are done. So just log in back to your EC2 that is hosted on private subnet and try to see whether you are able to access the internet. By the time your NAT gateway should be available. It will take some time. So wget google.com. If I run again, yes, it is working now. Earlier it was not working, right? Let me run sudo yum update. So yum is already in process. Let me cancel it. Let me try wgetfacebook.com just to check my internet access, whether it is going outside or not. Yes, so I am able to access my internet. That's it. Hope you have got an idea how to enable or provide internet access to the private subnet using NAT gateway. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and have fun.
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates. Stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.learnitguide.net.